Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Windsurf has released another wave and it is wave 12. Today is 15 August. Yesterday 14 August. One day ago they published this wave 12, and in this wave 12 they have added many exciting features. So I will show you practically each of that features one by one. Let's start the video. And here you see that the first features that they have added is this bringing Devin features into Windsurf. So you know that what are the Devin features exciting, which is DeepWiki. So if you go to this DeepWiki, this is Devin's project. There they have added all of that GitHub repositories information. So if you want to explore any repository, then you can do that. Otherwise, you can add your repository also here. Now what Windsurf have done, they have actually cloned that features. Now if I take you to our Windsurf, here you see this is my code base and I have opened one file here, and suppose you don't have any idea about this code base and you want to explore this project, and you are exploring all of that files and you want to understand what this export CSV, this function, is doing in this file. So in that case, just hold a Control Shift in your keyboard and click on it. If I click on it, on the left hand side you will find that you will get all of that information about this export CSV function, and in detail it will tell you that what this function is doing and what all of that, like what this mapped or join and this remove child and this revoke object URL, what all of this functionality doing in this export CSV. It will explain you one by one in detail. Okay, so not only this export CSV, if I show you another function, suppose this get sorted rows, what this function is doing, just hold Control Shift and click on it, and here you see this DeepWiki will tell you about this code base, that where this get sorted rows is getting used and what this function is doing. This is very much helpful when you don't have any idea, or let's say you want to understand any other person's code base, that what they have done, why they have used this function, why they have written this code. Then in that case this is very much helpful. See, we can easily get some information if I hover on this function, okay, but that information is very less. Here you see that they have given 3 to 4 line information, but with this DeepWiki, with this Windsurf's DeepWiki feature, you can get much more information and you will get the idea. Okay, and this is also they have written that unlike traditional language server hover cards that I was mentioning, if you hover on that, that is a basic type information and comments, but Windsurf now features DeepWiki power cards that help you understand functions, variable and classes as you read through the code base. Okay, and for Mac you have to use this CMD, and for Windows you have to use this control. So for Mac, CMD shift click, and for Windows, control shift click. Okay, now next features that they have added is this Vive and Replace. We are excited to introduce Vive and Replace, like find and replace. It starts with the exact text matching. Okay, so if I show you that feature, this is another exciting feature. Normally what we do, suppose if I open my HTML file, okay, you can use in any file, but I am showing you inside my HTML file because I have a lots of example here. Okay, suppose I have many buttons in my HTML file. Okay, and let's say in your project you have 10 HTML file. Okay, and in each file where this uh, button got used, there you want to add one extra feature, or let's say one extra styling. Then in that case what you have to do, you have to manually visit that 10 file and you have to add that extra features, right? But with this Vive and Replace, what you can do, so on the left hand side just open this search and here just write this button. Okay, And when you will write button, then you will find that this button is getting pointed where it got used, and in this JS file and in this HTML. Okay, now here you see that this is the Vive and Replace icon. So just click on this Vive and Replace, and what do you want to do? Let's say you want to add one extra class which is ABCD, let's say. Now just write it, class equals to ABCD in all file. Okay, now if you just press enter, it will add this ABCD in all of the files where this button is getting used. Okay, now in one click you will be able to replace or you will be able to add that functionality. Now previously you were visiting 10 files, but now you with one click your job is done. Okay, now the next interesting thing that they have added is this Cascade is more intelligent. This is very interesting because previously what Windsurf did that if you need any planning for your specific task, in that case they had one icon after this input box. It was previously there before this Wave 12. We had one icon here, and if you manually click on that icon, then only it will go to that planning mode. But now this Windsurf is telling that if you provide any task and if that task needs any planning, then this Cascade Intelligent will automatically be activated. Here you see planning mode is now automatically active and with no manual toggles needed. Cascade intelligently decides when to make a plan and autonomously creates to-do list when appropriate directly in the chat to scope out long running tasks. You don't have to manually do any kind of planning, and if this Windsurf or Cascade Intelligent thinks that your task needs some intelligence, then they will go for the planning mode. They will prepare the to-do list and they will solve that one by one. Okay, and the next thing that they have added is this new look for the Windsurf. You remember that when before this Wave 12 we had one different chat interface, but now here you see that they have completely changed this chat interface. We don't have any MCP button here. They have moved that MCP things to the top. Here you see that you will find one box beside this plus icon. If you click on that box, there you will find this MCP store. If you click on it, they have added currently some popular MCP servers. From there you can add that MCP whatever you needed. But if you need some extra configuration, or if you want to add any MCP, then you can go for this customization. There you can add it and click on this refresh. You will find your added MCP there. Okay, and also they have added this GPT low reasoning. Currently GPT-5 is for free, this low reasonings version in Windsurf. Okay, and another thing is that currently they have changed this look. If you edit any file, they will show you that which file you have edited, like JS or CSS. Previously this icon was not there, but now they have added this CSS or JS file icons, or whatever the files, you can say Java file, they added these icons also. This is the new look, and this faster tab completion. So they have changed their autocomplete feature is now powered by a new system that makes more frequent smarter suggestion, and they have added a different algorithm. They have also improved their diff algorithm, and blah blah blah. So these are the new things that they have added, and I have shared with you, and I hope that you found these new features very helpful. And these new features are not there in cursor, but Windsurf has added this, and I think you should try these new features. And they have fixed over 100 bugs, and they have improved the reliability of this system. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I have one request for you. Please watch this video. This learn this what you should learn in this 2025 in AI. because many people are not getting that there are many things to learn, right? So what specifically particularly you should learn so that you can be future ready in the upcoming years. So that things I have discussed in this video in detail. So please watch this video, you will get many ideas. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you found helpful, don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.